Debt. It's a word that makes so many of us cringe, right? But what if I told you that debt doesn't have to be your enemy? It can actually be a useful tool if you know how to use it responsibly. Whether you're dealing with an unexpected bill, looking to invest in your future, or keeping your small business afloat, debt can be a temporary solution that works for you, not against you. Here's the thing, debt isn't inherently bad. It's how you use it that determines its impact. Unfortunately, many of us weren't taught this growing up, and the result? We end up fearing debt, or worse, misusing it. Think about this. Have you ever needed to borrow money to cover an emergency or to seize a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity? That's where debt can be a lifesaver, when it's temporary and tied to a plan. But let's not confuse this with using credit cards for impulse buys or borrowing without thinking about how to pay it back. That's a quick path to financial stress, and we don't want that. Let's break this down into 3 key parts when debt makes sense. 1. Covering unexpected emergencies like medical bills or car repairs. 2. Investing in growth opportunities such as education, starting a business or buying property. And 3. Preventing larger setbacks like foreclosure or bankruptcy. Ask yourself 3 questions before borrowing. 1. Do I have a solid plan to repay this debt? 2. Will this debt help me grow or improve my financial position? 3. Am I borrowing more than I need? Always calculate the cost of debt. Use online tools to check interest rates and monthly payments. Mistakes to avoid. 1. Taking on debt without a repayment strategy. 2. Using loans for non-essential items like luxury vacations or shopping sprees. 3. Letting debt pile up instead of addressing it early. So here's my challenge for you. If you're thinking about borrowing money, take a step back and ask yourself, is this really the right move for me? Write down your goals, your repayment plan, and your why. And if this video helped you rethink debt, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and share it with a friend who might need it. Let's create a community where we talk openly about money and support each other in making smarter financial decisions. Debt is a tool, use it wisely.